With the potential of an El Nino to develop over the next several months and into next winter, I'd like to take this opportunity to show you how to access some El Nino related information on our web page. The easiest way to get to our web page is to go to www.weather.gov/Las Vegas. From there, on the left column, you'll click on Local underneath the Climate link. Once you're on the climate page, there are all sorts of climate-related information that you can access. I'm going to direct you to the Climate Prediction tab located here. Once you click on that, it will bring you to the Climate Prediction and Variability page, where you can access a number of El Nino-related pages. The first one here is CPC's El Nino La Nina page. There's also an El Nino theme page and an ENSO Diagnostic Discussion. So I'm going to click on CPC's El Nino La Nina page. This brings you to the Climate Prediction Center's El Nino La Nina homepage. You can look at various sea surface temperature forecasts, past warm and cold events. You could also look at U.S. El Nino precipitation and temperature impacts, as well as expert discussions. And there's also an El Nino La Nina tutorial near the bottom of the page. Okay, I'm going to go back to the previous page, and this time I'm going to click on the El Nino theme page. This is NOAA's El Nino theme page, and there's all sorts of information providing you with some of the basics about La Nina and El Nino. There's also some frequently asked questions that are available here. The impacts and benefits of El Nino are listed on the left column, and also where you could find the latest forecasts and data. You could view some additional data down here towards the bottom, like satellite data, buoy data, and ship data. I'm going to go back to the prior page again, and this time I'm going to click on the ENSO Diagnostic Discussion. Since that link has changed, you could go ahead and click on the link in the middle of the page, and that'll take you there, or it'll automatically be taken there in about 10 seconds. If you've noticed, this diagnostic discussion was available at various places during the presentation because it's one of the more popular ENSO type products. Here you have access to the different formats and languages of the latest ENSO diagnostic discussion. This discussion is updated on the first Thursday of each month. There's also a weekly update that is provided every Monday in both PDF and PowerPoint formats. I'm going to click on the latest PDF version of the diagnostic discussion that was issued on March 6th. On this discussion, you could see that an El Nino Watch has been issued for about a 50% chance of El Nino to develop during the summer or fall. Also included in the discussion are several graphs of sea surface temperatures, as well as the latest computer model forecasts of sea surface temperatures that are included in a figure at the bottom of the discussion. The last place I want to direct you to is back on our climate page. This time I want to show you the Local and Data Records tab. If you click on that, it'll take you to a wealth of information of climate data for our forecast area, and especially for the Las Vegas area. The one document I want to point you to is the El Nino and La Nina and their impacts on the weather in Las Vegas. This might be quite useful to you and has a lot of the impacts that can be expected during various types of El Ninos, and it's focused on the Las Vegas Valley.